Harbhajan Man's singing and acting career is going great guns, but as chairman of Mohali's District Planning Board, he is a no-show. Well, literally. An RTI into the work that the board has done during his tenure makes sad reading, and promises made when he took over show no sign of materializing. Here's the story.
Prominent Punjabi singer and actor Harbhajan Mann is chairman of Mohali's District Planning Board, but he is very rarely seen in his office. Former Municipal Corporation Councillor Kuljit Bedi calls Mann a chronic absentee. Bedi has disclosed the information he gained in response to his RTI application seeking information about the work done during Mann's tenure. The reply says that Mann did not use his official vehicle 1 during his tenure. Grants amounting to more than Rs 28 lakhs sanctioned to District Planning Board lapsed because of non-utilization. Not one staff member is attached with Mann. Mann took just one meeting with board officials.
और ये क्लीयर हो गया इस RTI राही भी मोहाली पंजाब का इकलौता जिला वा कोई जिन्हां ने अपनी ਜਿਹੜੇ ਅਲਾਟ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨ ਨੂੰ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਬੋਰਡ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਸੇ ਅਲਾਟ ਹੋਏ 12-13 ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਕਿਸ਼ਤ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਧੇਲਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਰਚਿਆ 28 ਲੱਖ ਤੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਸਾਲ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ ਉਹ ਲੰਘ ਗਿਆ.
Day and Night News repeatedly tried to contact Mann for his response, but he is not in India. Neither was his father-in-law and senior SAD leader Balwant Singh Ramawalia available for comments. In the entire 1 year, Mann was seen at a function organized by a NGO on April 20, 2013, but after the function he immediately left Mohali. At that time, Day and Night News talked to Ramawalia. Let's have a look on his statement at that time in April 20, 2013.
उन्होंने बड़ी समर्था नाल बड़ी हिम्मत नाल अपनी ड्यूटी निभाई है. इस दौरान थोड़ी बहुत गैर हाजिरी रही, उस थोड़ी बहुत गैर हाजिरी तो बिना बाकी उन्होंने अपने काम पूरे किए. लोकी तो राजे हरीचंद नूं भी माड़ा मोटा कही जाते.
In 2012, he was installed in his office by Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal, and at that time he announced that Mohali would soon get an international class exhibition centre and auditorium. There is no sign of either so far. Mann also promised a local bus service and well-maintained roads. The promises remain just that, promises. Meanwhile, dissatisfaction with Mann is growing and there are calls for his resignation. With camera person Vinay Kumar, for Manish Nagar, this is Bharti Sharma for Day and Night News, Mohali.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए. हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे YouTube पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर. खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन.